So hello guys, in this video I will show you API feature. So you need to click on regenerate button. So when you click on regenerate buttons, so the API token is changed. Okay, so you need to copy the API token and click enable the API and quick polling option and click on open documentation, so you can read the documentation for the Lion CRM, so you can do properly, you can use properly API. Okay, so first of all I go to my account, Postman account. Okay, and here I go to workspace my, and here is my okay, here is the option is variable. When I click my webhook API documentation, I click on the variable option. Here I need to change URL, so I will change this. Okay, and then I will send a text message using API. So I go to this post option and go to body. Then here is the option is action and all the things, but only I need to change my number for demo purpose. Remember, you need to add your country code for demo API messages. Okay, so I just added my number and I also copy the number and I will click on the send button. So this message is sent successfully. Okay, so I will show you. It's a true and message sent. Okay, so I go to WhatsApp and show you like this. This is message is sent successfully. It's a 643 and it's a 643. Okay, now I will show you the another feature is send image. So I will choose a image. First I go to body option and here I add my number. Okay, and here is the I need a image URL. So I go to my website and I copy the URL for any image. Like I click on this image and copy image address. Okay, I copy this image address and go to here and I just need to change a URL. So it's a PNG URL, so you need to change the extension name like JPG to PNG. Okay, then click on the send button. So this message is sent successfully. So it's a 201 means the message is sent successfully. I just go to my WhatsApp and wait, that is the message is sent successfully with the message check out our new product. This is also in the caption. Okay, so this is second option is media is work perfectly. The third option is video option. So I go to here and I go to body option and change my mobile number. Okay, and here is the video. So I add my number and right now I have a no URL for the media. So you can try this because I already send you image, so it's a work perfectly for image, video and audio and documentation also, because these all are media. Okay, so I will show you a demo for the location. So I go to here and go to body option. I change my number and here is the longitude or longitude. It's a name India Gate. Also I will send this. Okay, so it sends successfully. So I go to my WhatsApp and it's a India Gate location. Okay, so now I will show you another feature is contact. So I go to here and go to body option. I will just replace the my number and the username is John Doe and their mobile number. Okay, is it's a demo number. So I will send this details. So I click on the send. So this details sent successfully. Okay, Okay, so this is the API feature, so you can test it out. And if you have any questions regarding API, so you can check the documentation. So you have no doubts, and if you have any doubts, so you can comment down on YouTube video. Thank you for watching this video.